My name is Ram. I have nearly 14 plus years of experience in IT industry. In this 14 plus years of experience, I work for these technologies: SQL, MSBI, Microsoft Power BI, data engineering, and Microsoft Fabric. And I have relevant experience on trainings and placements, 8 plus years of experience. And I have written 3 books on this data engineering. Those books already published in the market as well. So these are the books I have written over here. Okay, these are the books I have written. And also, as per my experience in this trainings on the 8 plus years of experience, I'm running one YouTube channel as well, and I'm the first trainer for this data analysis Power BI in India. And also, I was started immediately on this data engineering trainings as well in 2018 onwards. So this is my YouTube channel. You guys can subscribe this YouTube channel as well. I'm just sharing of this YouTube channel link also for everyone. This is our YouTube channel link. I'm sharing this link in the chat. Please subscribe this channel. Okay. So it's a e-classes education channel. Every day you will get receive one video about your career and the new features, what are all implemented in the technologies. New updates will be provided in the YouTube channel as well. So our agenda today, we are going to discussing about a data engineering course demo on Azure Data Engineering, Microsoft Fabric, and Power BI. So, what exactly these 3 skills we are going to discuss it over here, and what is the eligibility for this course? How is the job opportunities? What are the prerequisites to learn this course? We are going to discuss. As per my experience, most of the students, what type of background people are trying to learn this course, I have categorized into 5 different categories. The one category is about a person whoever having 10 plus years of experience or some IT experience he has. Now he wants to enter into data engineering. Okay, he want to upskill his knowledge. The reason because earlier technologies what he was working, now there is no demand in the market, so that's the reason he wants to upskill data engineering, and he wants to apply for the jobs. This kind of people already working in IT. The second category is a non-IT people. Okay, the second kind of category people are the non-IT people. They have already 10 years of non-IT experience, and in this 10 years of non-IT experience, whatever we have, the 10 years of experience whatever we have, it's non IT. But now they want to come to IT because there is no growth in the non IT. And the third category is they have some career gap, like they were working, they were preparing for government exams, groups or bank or IT or whatever it is, they are working for the government exam preparation. They don't have any work experience. So these people having a career gap. So these kind of people also trying to learn this course. The fourth category is they were working for IT or non-IT, but from last 1 or 2 years they have some career gap. So these kind of people also, when they want to enter into IT industry again, they were getting data engineering is the best practices for getting the jobs. The last one is freshers. The freshers means recently passed out people. Even this kind of background people also wants to learn data engineering course over here. Okay, so this data engineering course, whoever is learning all these 4 category people, definitely 99% of the students who join today demo session belongs to any of one category. So category 1 is they were working in already IT, but it's a different technology. Some people non-IT background, some people they don't have any work experience, some people have work experience previously, but now they have a career gap. So can you guys please send me a number, like whether you belongs to category 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, then I can understand what kind of background people are trying to learn this course more. Can you guys please send it? Yes. Shailendra 1, Raghu 1, Vijay 1, Shohan Rawat 3, Santosh 1. What about the other people? Kotesh, Sai Kumar, Shiva 1, Santosh 1, Ram 1. Okay. So most of the students are belongs to the category 1. From last 1 years, what I have observed, I have many students, like out of 10 people, 8 to 9 people are joining this data engineering course completely working professionals. They have already work experience on different technologies, around like a 10 to 5 to 15 years range of experience people also trying to learn this data engineering course. Okay, so whenever we are going to learn any course, so what exactly we need to identify and considering the parameters to choose a best course. And one more thing I want to ask before continuing of the session. In this session, whoever joined, how many people are not able to understand Telugu language? Just ping a message in the chat. How many people not able to understand Telugu? I just need whoever not able to understand. Sohan, you know Telugu? Sohan, can you please answer? Are you able to understand Telugu language? No? Say yes or no. Apart from Sohan, anyone not able to understand Telugu? Madhurima? Anyone else? Okay, so Madhurima also not able to understand, and Sohan. Only these two people not able to understand Telugu. Okay, right, thank you. So here you can see, whenever you are going to choose any course to upskill, or whenever you want to come to IT industry, there are three parameters you need to consider. Like this is called choosing right course for your career. Whenever you are choosing a right course for your career, first you need to understand the course what you are going to learn. Is it a cloud course or not? Okay, the course whatever you are going to learn, is it belongs to cloud or not? So definitely whatever the course you are going to learn should be a cloud related course. It can be Azure, it can be AWS, or it can be GCP, whatever it is. Okay, the next one is about the course what you are going to learn, how much impact of AI, because nowadays artificial intelligence impact is more on certain jobs. Am I right? So the course or the role what you are going to work, how much impact of AI on your course, you need to choose it. The third is data. So your course, what you are going to learn, definitely should be related to data. It can be a data engineer, or it can be a data analyst, or it can be a data scientist, whatever it is. So today, whatever the course I'm going to learn, definitely it is a cloud course related to the Azure, Microsoft Azure Cloud. And the impact of the AI is, if you observe, everyone, every artificial intelligence needs data. Without data, there is nothing in AI. So AI can't perform anything without data. So the course what you are going to learn is a data engineer or data analyst combination. So your course contains the word data. Your course contains the word data, and it has a high importance and need in the backend for artificial intelligence. Correct? So artificial intelligence will run based on the data. So the data engineering role what you are going to work is not depending on the AI. AI is depending on this role. So that is the reason the impact of AI is very, very, very minimal. Okay. So your job role will never replaced by AI. So that is the reason the demand for this data engineer is increasing every day, because every day we are generating a lot of data. Not only personal data, it can be in a social media, or it can be in a business. Any business data is needed over here. Even we are going to store all your information of how many students enroll for this, and how many students are like going to attend the demo, your mobile number, all the data we are storing inside, right? So that's the reason data is increasing every day. Even when your morning wake up, you are going to open Facebook or Instagram, how many times you logged in, how much time you spend on the Instagram, on the Facebook, the data analytics will come to you. Am I right? How much time you spend on the screen? How this is possible? Because the data, it is going to store backend somewhere. By using that data, they are going to create some reports and analytics over here. Okay. So what I'm suggesting, whatever the course you are going to choose, it should be a cloud, and it should have much impact by AI, and it should have data related course. Okay. So there are three courses in the market related to data: data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist. Okay. So whatever the course we are going to learn here, the data engineering or data analysis course, first try to understand what exactly data engineering, what is data analysis. Okay. If you are understanding that thing, then in which cloud you are going to learn, what are all the tools, softwares you are going to use, you will understand. Let's take one scenario. I have a supermarket over here. I have a supermarket over here. Inside that supermarket, one second. Yeah, I have a supermarket. Inside that supermarket, every day we are getting some transactions data, the business data. Let me open one notepad. I have two supermarkets. This is one supermarket. This is another supermarket. This supermarket is running in the India. This supermarket is running in the India over here. This supermarket is running in USA. Okay, we have two supermarket. Supermarket 1, this is supermarket 2. A customer will come to supermarket, he will buy the products. He will buy the products. Whenever he is buying the product, immediately the transactions data will come and store in the backend database systems. This is a common business practice we can see everywhere. This is a common business practice. If you go any supermarket or any business, this kind of information we can able to find out it over here. Clear? Perfect. Now, as a data engineer, your role will be start. What is that role? You have to bring the data what you have in this business databases and consolidate into one particular location. So, where you are going to store that data after consolidation, I want to store that data into a cloud environment. Okay, which cloud you want to use? Definitely, I will prefer Microsoft Azure Cloud, because this is very high demand in the market currently with the less cost, more features. So, what I want to do, whatever the business data I have, that business data from this database to here, and from this database to here, we are going to bring it over here. Okay. So this is called storage. account. So we are going to storing of the data from this database into storage account over here. Okay. Now whatever the business data you are consolidating from different business servers into one particular place, how this is possible? To do this one, we have one of the tool, that is data factory tool. We have one tool, that is data factory tool. So by using this data factory tool, we can connecting to any databases, and we can process the data and storing into storage account. So once the data is coming to the storage account, immediately we need to move that data into data warehousing. So while you are going to move the data into data warehousing, while we are going to move the data into data warehousing, what tool we are going to use? We are going to use a Databricks tool. We are going to write down some commands inside this tool to perform the data cleaning and transformations, because at the time when we are going to move the data from this database to this storage account, we don't do any data cleaning. Whatever the raw data I have in my business, that entire data will be moved into this storage. Once the data is coming to the storage account from different source systems, then after I'm going to apply a transformation techniques and cleaning and processing the data and storing into data warehousing. So once the data is coming to the data warehousing, then after we are going to designing of the reports and dashboards over here. To design the reports and dashboards, we are going to use one of the tool, that is Power BI. Power BI is a powerful reporting tool to design the reports and dashboards by connecting to this data warehousing and bringing the data into this Power BI to design the reports. So this Power BI is also one of the cloud platform. We are going to use this in Microsoft www.app.powerbi.com. This is one cloud, and Microsoft Azure cloud is www.portal.azure.com. So all Microsoft data engineering process we are doing in Microsoft Azure portal. Let me open and show you portal.azure.com. This is a Microsoft Azure portal. Inside we can able to use whatever the storage services or data warehousing. For example, if you want a data factory, see there is a data factory is there. If you want data bricks, we can use data brick service. If you want storage service to store your data, storage accounts you can use. If you want data warehousing, dedicated SQL pool, data warehousing. So you can able to use that one. So this is how this data engineering part will be taken care in the Microsoft Azure portal. When you are coming to the Power BI, where we are going to develop the Power BI reports, that is app.powerbi.com. Inside this, we are going to designing of the Power BI reports over here. Inside this cloud, we are going to design the Power BI reports. Okay, we can design the Power BI reports over here. Okay, now we understand what is Microsoft Azure Data Engineering, what is Power BI. So Microsoft Azure Data Engineering Cloud we are using to perform the data engineering. So what is the data engineering? Data engineering role is collecting the data, processing and storing. Okay, data engineer what he will do? Collecting, processing and data engineer role is collecting the data, processing and storing of the data in Azure cloud. Now, what is the Power BI role? What is the Power BI role? Power BI role is all about designing of the reports and dashboards. Designing of the designing of the reports and dashboards by using Power BI tool over here. Designing of the reports and dashboards. Then what is this Microsoft Fabric here? Okay, I will tell you. So there are a lot of customers for the Microsoft company implementing this data engineering and data analysis projects. If you observe, for Power BI reports designing purpose, we were going to use www.app.powerbi.com. It's a different cloud. For data engineering, for data processing and storing purpose, we are using a different cloud like a www.azure.com. Am I right or wrong? Now the clients are requested Microsoft company. Why are we using two different cloud environments? Got it? Why are we using two different platforms? One for data engineering, another one for the data analysis. Data analysis means Power BI. Data engineering means Azure. Can't we put both in single place? Can't we use single cloud environment instead of two different environments? Yes. Immediately Microsoft company, what they have done, whatever the Microsoft company Azure portal data engineering capabilities, software services, all they are included in the Power BI cloud. So whatever the storage account we have, right? The same storage account software is available inside the Azure. Whatever the data warehousing, right? The same data warehousing is available in the Power BI cloud. And whatever the Databricks notebooks we have, right? The PySpark commands that also they are making available inside this Microsoft Fabric. And whatever the data factory we have, right? The same thing we have in the Microsoft Power BI as well. That is called data pipeline. So data factory here we are calling it as a data pipeline. Storage account here we are calling it as a lake house. Data warehousing in Azure we are calling that as a Synapse data warehousing. Here also we are calling it as a data warehousing. Inside the Azure Databricks here we are calling it as a notebooks. Nothing difference. So the moment when all the data engineering software services are included in this Power BI cloud, from that day onwards Microsoft company is calling this cloud as a fabric. I hope everyone understand. Microsoft Fabric is existing Power BI cloud platform, but it contains it contains all Azure data engineering capabilities also. The moment when Azure data engineering software services are included in this Power BI, from that day onwards, Microsoft Fabric company, Microsoft company is calling this Power BI cloud as a fabric. Fabric is not a new thing. Fabric is a existing Power BI platform. Fabric is a existing Power BI platform. Fabric is a existing Power BI platform which contains data engineering capabilities plus data analysis Power BI capabilities. Now from this data warehousing we can use to design the Power BI reports over here. Now we can understand which one I need to learn. Do I need to learn Microsoft Azure Data Engineering or do I need to learn directly this Microsoft Fabric over here? I will suggest you to learn everything because your effort is less. You are not going to mention a separate effort for this. I will tell you. When you are going to any training institution, what they are doing, let's for example, you are going to ask them, I want to learn Microsoft Azure Data Engineering. So they will teach you only Microsoft Azure Data Engineering course. Okay, if you are going to another training institution, if you are asking them, I want to learn Power BI, so they will teach you only Power BI. Okay, if you are going to another training institution, I want to learn Microsoft Fabric, they will teach you only Microsoft Fabric with Power BI. Okay, but here I'm going to teach you all these three. The reason, because if you are learning only Power BI, you are going to applying for the jobs like a data analyst. But alone Power BI, currently there is no job market much. Alone Power BI, there is no much jobs. Every company is expecting, along with the Power BI, you should have data engineering skill also. Okay, for a data engineering purpose, I'm going to learn complete Microsoft Fabric data engineering capabilities also, right? Then why we need to learn data engineering, Azure data engineering? So we are learning Microsoft Fabric. Fabric covers data engineering plus data analysis, Power BI, right? Why do we need to learn Azure data engineering? Azure data engineering is a existing platform. If you are learning this Microsoft Fabric, then Azure data engineering is nothing. Just 2 to 3 percentage effort if you are putting, that's enough. Or else, for example, Azure data engineering, if you are learning, then inside this Microsoft Fabric, whatever this data pipelines, lakehouse, notebooks, data warehousing, it is just like a 2 to 3 percentage effort if you are putting, you will learn all these things. So try to understand Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Fabric with Power BI, all the things you need to learn it over here. So in this course, I'm going to teach you each and every Microsoft Azure data factory, storage account, Databricks, PySpark, and data warehousing, data pipelines, lakehouse, notebooks, data warehousing, Power BI, and there is a data flow Gen 2 concept also is there. That and live streaming analytics, we are going to discuss it over here. Okay, perfect. So when we are going to learn this data engineering or data analysis course, do we need to learn anything else apart from this? Yes. I will suggest to learn, I mean, we are going to provide that also. Basic SQL and Python. Basic. It's not a programming, because in real time we don't write any SQL or Python commands. Everything will be prompted through AI. But if you don't know the basic things of that, how can you prompt it? So that's the reason I will provide that basic SQL and Python also in this course over here. Okay, so how is the packages for this course? After you are learning this course, what kind of jobs you are able to apply after you are completing of this course? After completion of this course, there is like for example, if you have already 12 years of IT experience, but not in this data engineering, it was a testing experience. So out of 12 years, 7 years I have a testing experience, I will, and 4 years I will put on the data engineering experience. So how to break down our experience, previous experience. So like in this today training demo session, someone having 12 years of experience, but it was on the testing. So now when we are going to prepare a resume, we will break down into 7 years testing, 4 years of data engineering. Let's take assume his package already 17 lakhs. Then after this course, when he's going to applying for the jobs, he can expect from 25 to 30 lakhs of the package. Let's take another use case. He just have only 4 years of experience, and he wants to apply for the jobs with that 4 years as a data engineer. How much he can expect? He can expect 15 lakhs per annum. 15 lakhs per annum he can able to expect it over here. Okay, so definitely after completion of this course, you are going to apply for a job like a experienced person, not a fresher. Am I right? At least you need to put 2 to 4 years of experience on this. The moment when you are going to put 2 to 4 years of experience on this technology, definitely the interview and work is expectation also in that level only. So is it possible to crack my interview without taking anyone help or proxy calls, or in the real time projects without taking anyone help, can I work on that after getting the job? Definitely no. When it is no, if you see, when you are going to any training institution, what they are doing, they're just making a training program, like they're making one program, only program one. So what exactly this program one they are going to offer for you? They're like a traditional regular data engineering they are going to teach you. It is something similar like a 2 months. It's nothing but 60 hours, daily 1 hour session, Monday to Friday. It's going to be live sessions, and every day the class is completed. The recording videos they will provide. So we are also providing every day once the class completed. This recording videos you have up to 3 years. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, so up to 3 years we have this recording videos access in our LMS portal. So for every student, free of cost, I'm going to provide this LMS login for better learning management, and one mobile app also. The advantage of this is, here there is a chat option. For doubts clarification, you can reach out me anytime through this chat as well. So your course will be enrolled here, and you have a recording videos inside, and live sessions also will be joined inside. And every day the class notes, whatever I'm typing, that will be shared, and some sample resumes we are going to provide for you, and certification guidance. After completion of this course, the certification exam you need to write down DP 700 exam, and end-to-end project interview question and answers. So this is very common course schedule provided by every training institution. Do you think it's just for 2 months only, this regular track of the training, are we going to get a job? If yes, how many people are getting the jobs out of 10? I don't think this only one program which we are conducting or any institution is conducting is not enough. It is not enough actually. This you can get it from any training institution. I'm not special in this. Everyone is sharing this kind of content and schedule. What we were providing more than this comparing to other training institutions, because in my last 8 years 10 years of experience, after completion of the course, still the people are not able to tell their introduction about 4 years experience. They don't know to explain the end-to-end project flow. That is the reason we were starting. There is another program, real-time RTP placement assistance program. In this course, we have a second program also. This is also included in this course. If you are enrolling today, you have to complete these two programs. What is this program 2? This program 2 is for those who already know the basics and want to gain real time industry level project experience. When this program we are going to start? This program will start after 1 month of the program 1 starts. Program 1 means our regular training, Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour. Exactly after 1 month, some part of syllabus is completed. This program 2 we will start. What exactly in this program 2? It is a complete agile methodology with sprints, tasks, and assessments, just like an IT company environment. When you are working in a company with a project, they are going to assign you a project in the agile methodology. Same concept here also. You will work on multiple end-to-end projects. We are going to provide you two projects, one in the Azure platform, another one in the Fabric platform. So you need to improve your resume with real time experience and practice through mock interviews. Get ready for the placements. Exactly, we are going to deliver the same thing in the program too. This is again 30 to 40 hours duration we are going to conduct. It's a weekend sessions. When this program will start, after 1 month of the program one starts. This schedule is Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours we are going to conduct this program. This is a separate mentor will take for this program too. Okay, so he's working for one of the MNC company now, and he can take this only on the Saturday Sunday, because Monday to Friday is completely busy with his work. So he will connecting with you Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours, and we can discuss about in agile methodology. There are 9 sprints we are going to conduct with 200 plus real time tasks. You can see the real time tasks and sprints what we are going to share with you. This is like a kind of a ticketing tool. Here you can see our sprint model. See sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4, sprint 5. Let's take in the sprint 1. You can open this one. This is how to automate to delete files in blob storage if file uploaded 30 days folder. So this is the task description. Task in which status, progress or completed, and priority, and to whom we need to assign this task. If you have any doubts, you can able to comment it over here. So this is how we have a sprint model over here. So completely our project is going to be this 200 plus tasks in the 9 sprints. You need to complete, you need to do the hands on weekly assessments. Whatever the sprint completed, there is an exam you have to finish to check your knowledge. Two end to end real time projects we are going to conduct. One project is in the cloud Azure, another project is in the Fabric. The moment when you are working on this scenario based tasks, project implementation is very easy for you. And even when you are going to the interview, when they are asking a scenario based question, you are in a position to answer those questions, because with the 200 plus real time task when you are completing. And also we are going to provide a interview question and answers advanced level, to answer how to answer your questions maturely. And also we will help you to prepare your resume. When you have a different technology experience you have, we are going to help you to put the resume preparation one on one. And also we will share some projects also to keep in your resume. The projects are not shared to like it's not for multiple people, person to person different projects we can put it. And if anyone needed the mock interviews, we can able to conduct these mock interviews as well. So this is how we are going to providing of all the information, program 1 and program 2 here. If you see in the program 1, day wise content what we are going to cover. So this is the day wise content what we are going to provide. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Then after data factory concepts and some scenarios we are going to discuss it over here. Then after Databricks in Azure, we are going to discuss with some scenarios. And then after inside this Microsoft Fabric, what are all the lake house and notebooks, how to write down whatever we learn in Azure, same things how to implement inside the Fabric, how to create the data pipelines, and also data flow Gen 2. And also we are going to cover about Power BI, live streaming analytics, how to perform end-to-end project. It's almost 55, more than 55 sessions it will be taken to completing of this Azure Data Engineering along with the Microsoft Fabric and Power BI. After completion of this course, you can apply for a jobs as a data analyst, as a data engineer, as a Microsoft Azure data engineer, as a Fabric developer, as a Databricks developer. Anything you can able to apply it over here. Okay, so this is all about today's session. Our regular session timings and everything will be discussed, and I will inform this number 7997 457 228. So she is our coordinator. You can reach out her anytime about our regular class timings and all those things over here. So how many of you how many of you are available if I'm taking the continuous sessions from tomorrow onwards? Can you say yes? How many of you are okay if you want me continue the class from tomorrow onwards? Because tomorrow is Sunday, right? Few people were not available for tomorrow, right? So if you guys are okay, I will continue the sessions from tomorrow onwards. Ram is yes, Vijay, Shiva yes, Shailendra yes, Raghu from Monday. What about others? Ideally our sessions are from Monday to Friday, but I want to make it continue. Today demo tomorrow, and day after tomorrow I want to take it this week. Tell me everyone, how many of you available, how many of you not available, then I can take a decision. So tomorrow at 10 a.m. I will take. Then we can decide what is the best timing for all of you. I will check after tomorrow the best time from everyone, your suitable timing. According to that, we can plan the daily class timings. Tomorrow 10 a.m. I'm asking about, yeah, its class will be 1 hour daily. So how many of you available tomorrow? I just need that information. How many of you not available tomorrow? Timings we will change it after tomorrow session. After tomorrow session, after tomorrow session, we can decide the timings. But tomorrow I will take on the 10 a.m. How many of you available tomorrow? Okay, let's do one thing, guys. The regular sessions I just got from our coordinator. The regular sessions from Monday evening 7 p.m. is the timing they have fixed. Monday 7 p.m. Okay, so the daily session will be at Monday 7 p.m. If you have any doubts on the fee or course content, you just reach out this number 7997. So our regular class timings daily 7 p.m. from Monday onwards. If you have any concerns, please reach out this number. Okay. Now if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask the open questions. So tomorrow we don't have any session. So please reach out that number. Now you guys ask the questions.
Yeah, hi Ram.
We don't
This is
have
Shiva.
any, yeah, we don't have any session tomorrow.
ఓకే. ఈ 60 డేస్ అవర్స్ సరిపోతాయా ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి రామ్?
It's not 60. If you see, we were making two programs, 60 plus
ఓకే.
40, almost 100 hours we are spending.
ఓకే. ఓకే. 60 అవర్స్ ఈజ్ థియరిటికల్లీ అండ్ అబౌట్ 30 to 40 అవర్స్ ఈజ్ రిగార్డింగ్ టు ప్రాక్టికల్ సెక్షన్ లైక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్.
Yes.
ఓకే రామ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah. So you can join the session by using the same meeting on Monday 7 p.m.
Hi Ram. Do we cover Databricks and Synapse in depth, or no? It's like a medium level.
Databricks is the main key in this course.
Okay.
That is very important because Databricks alone we have so many jobs.
Yeah, yeah.
And Synapse is not a separate service. Synapse is a combination of data factory and Databricks. That's all.
Okay. And what about Snowflake?
Snowflake we don't. That is out of Azure. It's not a Microsoft
Okay.
product. In place of Synapse, we have in place of Snowflake, we have another service here. That is Synapse data warehousing is there. It's both are same actually.
Okay. 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 Thank you. And we are not covering any big data topics right in this session.
Big data is it's there. Big data, HDFS, and data lake Gen 2 we have because see big data was transformed into with the different names currently. Earlier it was
Okay.
Hadoop, uh, right? But now it is data lake Gen 2, and now it is Spark. Databricks is nothing but a big data processing system. Data lake is a big data storage system only.
Okay. Okay.
రామ్
Thank
గారు
you.
ఒక డౌట్ అండి.
Yeah.
సో మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా ఈ కోర్స్ కాంబినేషన్ కదా, డేటా అనలిటిక్స్ అండ్ డేటా ఇంజనీరింగ్.
Hmm.
సో వన్స్ మన కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత, సో దేని మీద ఎక్కువ ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుందండి, లైక్ జాబ్ ట్రై చేయడానికి ఏదో, అంటే మన కోర్స్ కంటెంట్ బట్టి ఏది ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్డ్గా
Data
ఉంటుంది, డేటా
engineering is the
ఇంజనీరింగ్?
focused.
ఓకే.
Data
సో
analyst,
అంత అపోతే
data
వేరే
analyst
పోతే జాబ్.
alone jobs are very less currently.
ఓకే.
So you will put both
Hi
data
Ram.
engineering and data analyst. Yeah, go ahead, Kotish.
Yeah, hi Ram. This is Kotesh. So the thing is like so to cover all these topics, including the training, it will take around 3 months, correct, Ram?
Yes.
So do you also conduct one-on-one session,
One more month.
just one-on-one,
No, can you, your voice is a little bit low actually.
or is it okay? How is it now, Ram?
Uh, Not much. Yeah, go ahead
Just
now.
let me grab my headphones. 1 second.
Take the headphones better.
Yeah, hi Ram. This is Vijay.
Hi, Vijay.
Ram, data engineer and Snowball both are functionality are the same or different, Ram?
Data engineering and Snowflake, you are asking? Sorry, data warehousing and Snowflake?
Yes.
Yes.
Data engineering
Data engineering and
and Snowball, the functionality is the same or different?
see, data engineering is a role actually. Snowflake is a software,
Okay,
cloud-based software.
okay,
See, data engineering means data processing, data cleaning. The person, whoever is doing, ఎవరైతే is doing the data cleaning, data processing, data storing, building the pipelines, that person is data engineer. The work what he is doing data engineering.
okay,
Snowflake is a cloud-based software. It can be used to store the data in a data warehousing. It's a storage
okay,
and it has some processing capabilities also, but that not that much level.
okay. So different activities, right?
Yes, Snowflake is out of box actually. It's not related to Microsoft Cloud.
Just you said synonyms, right?
There is a Synapse
Synonyms, I
database,
think you said
Synapse dedicated
synonyms. Yeah,
data warehousing is there. It is more similar like your Snowflake. That we are going to teach in this course.
okay, okay. I
Hi,
got it. That.
Ram, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Shohan.
I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, I can able to hear you. Sohan, we are able to hear you. Go ahead.
Hello.
Go ahead, your question.
Yeah. So I have a question. Yeah. Are you going to teach like as well as fabric, right? Like
Yes.
how to create. pipeline in Azure and as well as Fabric, right?
Yes, we are going to teach from basic to advanced level.
Okay, okay. Also, we are going to teach Python in Fabric, how to, create code on Python as well as Spark and all,
Yes, we are going
how
to
to work
teach
on Spark file.
we are going to teach Python basics
Okay,
to PySpark advanced level we are going to teach.
PySpark. Okay. Question, I just wanted to understand that are you going to conduct any weekend classes because I'm not able to join on weekdays. I'm doing night
Uh,
shift, so that is little bit difficult for me.
so the regular classes, the program one will be on the weekdays, program two on the weekends. This two
Mm-hmm.
is the combination of course. But if you are not possible to take on the weekdays, you can take recordings and you can see the recording as well on the weekday sessions. And weekends you can join live and you can ask the doubts whatever you have.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay.
Because every day once the
But
class complete,
weekend
I
you
will
are
share
not
the
going to
recordings.
provide live classes.
Yes, weekends we have a
Okay,
live
understood.
classes.
Okay.
Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. We have a live classes. That recordings also we will share.
Mm-hmm.
రామ్ గారు ఇంకొక డౌట్ అండి. లైక్
Okay, understood.
పైథాన్ అండ్ సీక్వెల్ మనకి ఎంత అవసరమో అంతవరకే
Basics. That's basics.
కవర్ చేస్తారు
Zinda.
కదా. లైక్
Yes, because
ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ పైథాన్ నంపై పాండాస్
um,
ఆ లైబ్రరీస్ కవర్ చేయగలుగుతారు కదా.
data
లైక్
engineering and data analyst point of view, there are some basic concepts are there. That is enough.
ఓకే, ఓకే. అండ్ ఆల్సో అండి డీబీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్, డేటా వేరేజ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఏమైనా కవర్ చేయగలుగుతారా.
Yeah, data warehousing concepts is included. Star schema, snowflake schema, dimension modeling, dimension table, fact table. All these concepts are included in this one.